Welcome to another video, guys, and today I'm going to show you how to get the cough drop marker. I think it's name. I think I know how to get the cough drop marker, or it's a different marker, but I don't know one marker. I think it's cough drop marker. First, go to this cave, and climb up these ladders, and you want to go left here, and you'll be sent to this pad. Then type in hill rock.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. You think hill rock means maybe you should look at the hill and see if you can find a marker. I'd say step on the rock. Yeah, try that.
Ignore him, and then just say hill rock again.
Are you trying to get a marker? Not a rock. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
And then this is the final time. You need to type in hill rock, and he should give you the marker.
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
Yeah, shook his hand. And that's how to get caught. Subscribe when you want, okay? Trust me, you will soon in your sleep.